EAS paper.
That's right. This is Pretty Boy Mark changing the EAS paper on the EAS machine. What does the EAS machine do, Mark?
It sends out those annoying tones that everyone loves.
Like what? Then it's like...
Oh no, that's a car alarm, but... Feed, paper, feed.
Look at this.
There it is.
This is the kind of technology we have in our studio, folks. Eat your heart out, 1984. That's gone forever. What was that, a screw?
2 screws.
We'll never get that back.
See, I'm choking. The pressure of the camera.
Well, it's good that you're not bleeding yet, because I think I would have been bleeding by now. That's what happens to me when I fix stuff.
Well, I was just using a box cutter before, so if I wasn't going to bleed there, I'm not going to bleed here.
Look at that.
And how many Polish people does it take to change the EAS machine? Just one. Just one.
Solid. Installed. Thank you, Mark.
You're welcome.